Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Engineer Zainul Abidin, and in this video we are going to host our WordPress website on our local PC or laptop device site so that we can practice WordPress skills and design a website for the practicing purposes. So let's go to the desktop screen. For the local hosting purpose, I will use Local by Flywheel, and this is the best local hosting provider in my experience. So let's just open your favorite browser, and for this time I'll use Microsoft Edge. Write Local by Flywheel and hit enter. Here's the website, first website, and open it. Click on the download for free, and here you choose your platform. I'll use Windows, so I'll put it that. Input your credentials and do not use the fake credentials because they may verify from the relevant authority. Click on the get it now, and here the downloading starts automatically, so it will take some time to download. So it's a small setup of 612 megabytes and it's near to complete, so let's just wait a little long.
5 minutes later.
Here the download is just finished, and we will click on open file, or we can go to the download folder, and here we can double click the file to open it. So it will extract the setup, and we'll just wait a little longer. Here it comes. Click on the next, and here it requires the admin permission. Ask me to select the path, so I'll choose a custom path. Click on this PC. Now go to my E drive, and here I have a folder named program files. I'll click on the make new folder and write local by Flywheel. So I'll enter it and select that. Click on OK and click on the install button. Now wait for a moment until the loading is finished. Here it is installed, and make sure to check on run local and click on the finish button and the program start. Here click on the I have agreed the license and agreement, and click on I agree, then wait for the next screen and click on the create a free account. It is asking that it is compulsory to add a new account, so I'll create a new site and click on continue. Here I will write the website name, which is the channel name of mine. I'll click enter or simply click continue. Keep the default settings as preferred, and the WordPress username will be, and here I'll write a password, and I'll write an email and click add website. Now it is preparing the website setup for WordPress. Click on the allow access. Here the website setup is created, so click on the WP admin button, and here it will ask you to enter your credentials. I'll check the remember me button and click on login. Here is the WordPress website dashboard. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and share the video. See you in the next video. Take care.